longer video. I am going to show you this exercise. I really like this exercise. It kind of puts a lot of things that we have worked together. So the triangle shown below is an equilateral triangle. Oh, yes. What does that mean? What does it mean that it is an equilateral triangle? Do you remember? Okay, so let's see. We have congruent sides, but we also have congruent angles. Yes, all the angles are 60. Very good. Okay, now one of the sides of the triangle is the diameter of the circle. Okay, so look, this is the diameter of the circle. Meaning that if it is the diameter of the circle, that means that this point here is the center of the circle. Okay? The area of the circle is 144. I'm going to write this information. The area of the circle is 144 pi. Okay? Square inches. What is the area of the triangle? So we want to find the area of the triangle. We know that the area of the triangle is base times height divided by 2, right? But we don't have any information about the triangle. So we first need to figure out, how do I use the information of the circle to find information about the triangle? Okay, so we have the area of the circle, and we know that the formula for the area of the circle is going to be pi times r squared, and this is going to be equal to 144 pi, yeah? Now, if we find the radius, do we see that we can find the whole thing here? That whole thing is the diameter. It is also the length of the side of the triangle. And since this is an equilateral triangle, we can do a whole bunch of things here. So let's go ahead and let's find the radius of the circle. I am back here in my equation. To leave the r by itself, we first divide by pi, both sides. So do we see that we cancel? And then we have that r squared equals 144, right? And now, what do I do? Yes, we're going to do the square root. And how much is the radius then? It is 12, right? Okay, good. So that means that the side of the equilateral triangle is 12, okay? Now, I'm going to erase this here because I want to draw the triangle. Oh, wait, this is not 12. The radius is 12. That was my mistake, sorry. So the radius is 12. So that means that the diameter, which is the side of the triangle, is 24, okay? So I am going to draw the equilateral triangle here, okay? So this is 24 and this is 24. And guys, we're going to use this, although we could use another method. So this is 60 and this is 60, right? And I want to draw the altitude here. Yeah, so this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Okay, do you remember in isosceles triangle and equilateral triangles, when we draw an altitude, it is also the median, meaning that this equals this, right? So if the whole thing is 24, then that means that this piece here is going to be 12, right? Now, I'm going to write here the little formula for the 30, 60, 90. So this is 30 and this is 60, okay? We can barely see, but it's there. So the side opposite to 30 is going to be the x. The side opposite to 60 is x square root of 3. And the side opposite to 90 is 2x. It's okay if you don't remember. The important thing is that we're reviewing it and that you are going to remember after this. So then, the side opposite to 30 is the x. the side opposite to 60 is x square root of 3. So if x is 12, then the altitude here is going to be 12 square root of 3, right? So now I need to find the area of the triangle, which is going to be base times height divided by 2. Okay? Now, let's review this. We found the altitude is 12 square root of 3, right? Now, the base, remember that the base is the whole thing. So that means that the base is going to be 24. So then the area is going to be 24 times, the base is 24 times the height, which is 12 square root of 3 divided by 2, okay? And when we simplify this, this is 144 square root of 3. And this is going to be inches squared. So this is the area of the triangle, okay? So why do I like this exercise so much? I really like this exercise because you are working with your knowledge on circles. And then you're using the information of the circle on a triangle. And then this triangle is an equilateral triangle, and we got to review properties of equilateral triangles. And then we got to review area of triangles, and we got to review special right triangles and the Pythagorean theorem. So I really like this exercise. If you want to discuss this with me, I'll be more than happy to discuss it in one of our live sessions. But, well, I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you in our live sessions. Bye.